If screen time app requests from your child's iPhone are not showing up on the parent's device, this quick fix may solve the issue instantly. Many iPhone users have reported that screen time approval notifications or ask to buy requests sometimes stop appearing because of a syncing problem between Apple devices. To fix this, open the Settings app on the parent's iPhone and scroll down to General. Now tap on About, then select Name. Here's the important step. Change your iPhone name slightly by adding or removing just one letter or character. Even a small change can refresh Apple Family sharing and screen time syncing. After changing the device name, tap Done and wait a few seconds. Now ask your child to send the screen time app request again, and the notification should appear correctly on the parent's iPhone. If it still doesn't work, make sure both devices are connected to the internet and signed into the correct Apple IDs under family sharing. If this video helped you fix screen time requests not showing on iPhone, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone and iOS troubleshooting tutorials.